Daddy's over there handling some real business. So, look at the whole car me and Aiden and Daddy washed. It only took us like a couple of minutes. We woke up early in the morning, then we got this car done. We have a couple more, and I see y'all guys later when I'm done recording my dad. And I'm going to show you the vacuuming I did. I vacuumed the whole floor. I vacuumed the floor over there, back there, the one that my dad just closed. I vacuumed everywhere. And Aiden, he helped clean the car too.
I heal.
And he made a mess in the car. I meant to say we made a mess in the car. And look at this car. Clean, sparkling, everything. It's cool and stuff. Look at that. Look at that.
Say hey.
Just look at that car. I helped my dad clean it too.
I do.
And Aiden did too.
I heal.
And we made a mess in the car. In Daddy's car. And
almost done, ain't it?
Yeah. And this is Aiden.
My name is Bentley Brandon.
Say cheese.
What's your name? My name is Aiden.
Oh my God! Don't be like that in front of the camera.
Hey.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Now let's go back to Bentley Brandon. Wait, I'll go on the other side. Fine, let me just show you our car again. So we got some snacks. I put all my trash in the can right here. So when I'm done with it, I can just take out. Look at that. I need to clean all this stuff up. I'm gonna pick up my plate. I'm gonna pick up my trash. I'm gonna pick up more of my trash, whatever that thing is. And I'm gonna pick up Aiden's top that he put on the ground and stuff. And I need to throw his cup away because look, Daddy, while you was driving this way, he grabbed his little straw and he started spitting that water lemonade on me that he was drinking. Give me a minute, guys. I'm just trying to clean up behind the seat, cause look, remember the backseat pledge?